If you've ever overwritten an important file in Microsoft OneDrive, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a previous version of a file step by step. This is a super useful feature when you need to undo changes, recover older content, or bring back the right version of a document without starting from scratch. It's quick, it's simple, and you can do it right inside OneDrive. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go directly to OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to find the file you want to restore. This could be a Word document, Excel sheet, PowerPoint file, or any other supported file stored in OneDrive. After you locate the file, right-click on it to open the menu of options. From that menu, click Version History. This is where OneDrive keeps older saved versions of your file, which is what makes this feature so powerful. Once you click Version History, OneDrive will show you a list of previous versions of that file. You'll usually see details like the date, time, and sometimes who made the changes. Take your time here and review the versions carefully so you can pick the correct one. This is the part where you want to make sure you're restoring the exact version you actually need. When you found the older version you want to go back to, select it, then click Restore. OneDrive will confirm the change, and the selected version will become the current version of the file. That means your file is now rolled back to that earlier state, which is exactly what you want if a newer edit caused problems. After that, it's always a good idea to open the file and double-check that everything looks right. Make sure the content, formatting, and saved changes are exactly as expected. If needed, you can repeat the same process and restore a different version later. The best part is that OneDrive makes this process easy and safe, so you don't have to worry about permanently losing your file history. And that's how to restore a previous version of a file in Microsoft OneDrive. A really handy feature for anyone who works with documents, especially when mistakes happen or you need to compare older edits. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.